All right, good afternoon. Another day, another new listing, and the New Mexico sun is shining. We got an Opel Jenkins home here in Northwest Albuquerque. Got Carissa and Rachel over here. Cannot wait to show you this home with this mountain view. Let's do it.
Welcome to 9516 Clearwater Street Northwest. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with over 1,700 square feet of living space.
Welcome to your semi-open living where you have your living room to dining to kitchen. Here you're gonna notice some architectural details that aren't super common, like you have a wood trim right through the middle of your wall, as well as at the top. Not to mention you have a tray wood trim inlay ceiling. You have so much natural light. 4 windows, as well as this beautiful French door that allows all of the light in from the east into this room. As you head over to your hearth, you have a beautiful brick-laid fireplace with a hefty wood mantle. And if you keep going this way, you'll head into your kitchen and dining.
As you come through this pass-through, on your way onto the heart of the home, you're gonna notice you have this breakfast bar seating on your peninsula right alongside your dining space. You're gonna look to see the fresh coat of paint on the kitchen cabinets. You're gonna notice the really clean lines that are brought out by the freshly resurfaced countertops. If you turn over here towards the west, you have the kitchen sink complemented by this archway window, which will just really let in those New Mexico sunsets. If you look up, you're gonna see the recessed lighting with vaulted ceilings, and you have this large center beam that really just complements the space.
Going down the hallway, you have the 3 bedrooms. Moving into the primary bedroom, you will notice the continuation of wall trim all the way around the room, as well as these huge windows that let in those mountain views and a door to your back patio. The primary bathroom has a garden tub with overhead window, as well as a walk-in shower with a glass enclosure. On the other side, you will see wall-to-wall vanity with shelved sinks that have just been resurfaced, and you've got a beautiful walk-in closet with plenty of space for hanging clothes, as well as plenty of shelves for storage.
So back in your hallway, you do have bedroom number 2, as well as bedroom number 3, both with full large windows in them to allow all the light to come in. And off your entrance from the garage, you have your laundry room. And you do have your full bathroom in your hallway. So coming in, you do have the wood trim again on the center of the wall, as well as this gorgeous blue. You have the resurfaced countertops, new updated hardware, plus you have the same tile, so the continuity between the primary and your guest bathroom is the same. And then draw your eye up, you have this beautiful, super tall skylight in your bathroom to allow natural light in.
As we come out to the backyard, you're gonna notice right away that the back has brick as well as the front has brick. The brick is wrapped all the way around, as Opel Jenkins is known for. You're gonna have this mature grass as well as the rose bushes that line the cinder block wall. Plenty of privacy. From right here, here's the thing, as you're right by the French doors where the living area is and it has a pass-through, you're gonna have this view of the Sandia mountains, which is amazing. The lot sits on actually a perch, which you could see right over the rooftops of your neighbors that give you that view of the Sandia mountains. So if you're interested in seeing this home and having a private showing scheduled, you can reach out to us, call us, we will set it up.
Thanks for joining us as we toured this home today.
Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe on YouTube, and we will see you on the next one.
Ooh, let's get this on the market. This has been another listing presentation by the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. Thank you guys for watching. Please DM us if you have any questions or give us a call. Hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the week.